Welcome dear trader, I'm gonna to share with you how you can make money when price dropping on cryptocurrency pairs, also on gold and other instruments. This lesson will be useful because there will be a lot of examples, and right now I ask you to push like and share it with your friends because it is for YouTube algorithms and that you don't miss anything, any update on this YouTube channel. Okay, let's start. My name is Yuri, I'm top of on TradingView, and I would like to share with you an example how you can make money when price is dropping. And let's start from algo trade which we took today. I would like to share with you first example. First, many of you don't know that on some exchanges you can use futures, and on futures you can open short sell position. How it works? On exchange, for example, you use biggest exchange. I will not call their name. There will be a link below, exchange which I recommend you to use for trading. And you can borrow some coins. For example, you can borrow Bitcoin on that exchange and sell it. For example, you cannot withdraw that Bitcoin which you will short sell. You just borrow from exchange on their platform and you sell to other people. And when price drop, you close your position. To close your position, you need buyback, and you buy with lower price. For example, you sold Bitcoin at 40k and you bought it back at 30k, and your difference which you made, like 10,000, it is your profit, and you give back the fee to exchange that coins. That's how it works. Also, the same works with gold and currency pairs and stocks. First, let's take a look at this example, how we can make money by when price dropping. First, you need to know how to trade breakout strategy, because take a look how today in our VIP room, I sent to our VIP room members this about algo. Take a look here. Take a look here, short algo possible breakdown. Scalp idea, take a look on this killer. Main reasons why I told to all our members to open that breakdown, because we have key level. Take a look. As you can see here, we have a key level from which price bounced many times. And a lot of people set their stop losses below this key level. How? How did I know it? Because take a look. In our VIP room, I sent to our VIP room members this beautiful stuff. It calls DOM, depth of market. And take a look. To our people, I mentioned, yes, I sent it into a chat. Take a look, my friend. In a chat, I sent to all of them all the data. Take a look. Many of them, by the way, made huge money on that trade. Take a look here. As you can see, algo, and below that key level, as you can see, huge pending orders, and this is my trade. A lot of these pending orders, it is a stop losses of buyers. And how it works on exchange? If buyers, for example, you open buy position, and when you set stop loss below powerful key level, how it works? Price hit your stop loss and you immediately sell. And that's why the price creates such movement. That's work. That's why I love to trade breakdowns on crypto market, because you can use it on different coins. You can use it on different, like on Bitcoin, Ethereum, on all coins. It works. That's example for you how you can money when price is dropping. My friend, if it is useful for you till this moment right now, hit the like button and subscribe that you don't miss anything, because you will find so many bunch of useful video lessons on this YouTube channel. And by the way, if you want to be part of our VIP room, where on daily basis I share good plans, ideas, which you can trade, this discussion, there would be link below. You should just join and use the benefits as a VIP room member. Let's go to another examples. I will share with you another example on Bitcoin, gold and silver, because all of them based on the same strategy, because I just want to show to you that it works everywhere on crypto, forex, stocks, everywhere. Another example for you on Bitcoin. Take a look at this example. Even here, trend line breakout. We also can use trend lines as a key levels, and take a look when price broke trend line and this local key level. Take a look how this breakdown had happened. Why? Because take a look on this range. A lot of people accumulate buy position inside in this range, and their stop losses, because of their stop losses, price create this powerful and huge down drop. That's how it works. Imagine you open sell here and you set proper stop loss. For example, you open stop loss with stop loss 3%, it was really possible to take 1-to-4 risk-reward ratio. It's really good risk-reward ratio. When you put into risk, for example, 1,000 USD, you can make 4,000 just within few minutes. Also, take a look how our VPROM members, when they took algo trade, how they made a really huge percentage, because some of them risky people, you don't need to be so much risky, but still it works very well. It is not accident, because some of you would say, okay, you showed to me one picture, but show me more examples. As you can see, another example on Aave, the same. Today I sent it to our VPROM members. Take a look. Aave, another key level, and pattern for breakdown, and take a look what had happened after that, my friend. Because some of you would say, okay, how can you predict? As you can see, exactly before I sent to our VPROM, and after that happens. That's how it works. Take a look here, price drop from this place. As you can see, 17%, my friend, 17% price drop exactly after that key level. It's huge, amazing profit within few hours. It is 1 hour chart. That means 1, 2, 3 hours and 70% down drop. Imagine how you make money on it. You open sell position, you open short sell position with stop loss. Even if you have stop loss 3%, you could take 1-to-5 risk reward, or even 1-to-6, was it? Okay, 1-to-5 risk reward. Still, it was amazing profit, my friend. It was really huge. As you can see, what do you need for all of this? First one, you need to understand how price action works. Second one, you need a powerful key level nearly which you will be able to open position, because take a look here. This position you open only at this powerful key level. How to build key levels, there would be a lesson below, which I will put in this video, and also there would be additional lessons about breakout strategy. Another example for you, my friend, on gold, because some of you would say, okay, it works only on crypto, but what about other markets? Take a look on gold on this breakdown. As you can see, price also built powerful and beautiful key level. After that, every high lower and lower, and after that breakdown. Some of you would say, okay, it's easy to say when price, for example, when you say that like you open history charts and you search. But my friends, the main beauty of TradingView is that many of you can open our ideas, trading plans, and find out that here it was February, 3rd February, where I told that, as you can see, it would break down. And take a look how it exactly played out our target. Because this pattern, this strategy, it's really predictable, and it is what I teach my students inside in our VPROM, on our courses. And also you can join it. There would be all links below. My friends, by the way, it is a first part of a strategy how you can make money when price is dropping on cryptocurrencies. Also, I have a plan to record a second part. For that, what you need to do if you want to get for free a second part, first, you need to push like, you need subscribe, and below in comment you need to write that yes, you want to get it. And if 100 people will write a comment about it, I will record a second part and will publish it for you. Thank you. Another example, how you can make money when price is dropping on silver. Take a look on this breakdown. As you can see, nearly all of them the same patterns, because price showed to us same patterns always, and yet you need to learn how to identify them. That's all. Some of you would say, again, use open some chart, how it's possible to predict. But take a look here. You can open our Forex room, because inside in our VIP room, we have two, we have Forex and we have crypto. Take a look inside of Forex. How many days ago I told, as you can see here, it was, what days it was? It was, my friend, February 17. Take a look. Exactly, I told that here, key level, squeezing and breakdown. And take a look on silver and take a look exactly happened what I told to all our people. That's why, my friend, at this moment, what you need to do, below this video, there would be links you should join if you want to learn this strategy. Also, if you want to join our VIP rooms, there would be all info below. And my friend, if you want a second part, as I told you, write comment, push like. Watch next 2 videos. Thank you for watching.